Well, back with the dump fine air compressor. We got a few parts to see if I can't get it fixed. This fitting right here is broke off of it. We're gonna get the piece out. Got some extractors there. And we're gonna put this on that, put a new pressure gauge on it, and I also got a keyway, so we're gonna pull this bolt out. Keyway's installed. Just gotta find a bolt to go in there, and I'll probably take it back out, shorten that up, get my extractor bit in there. Get this broken piece out. Get the new one on. New pressure gauge. Get that installed. She's working. Still busy. And the gauge that I pulled off of it only had 100 PSI on it. This has got 250, so we'll see what happens when it gets to 100. Also, not sure